we're playing shit. Today we're playing don't press the button 4. Yeah, don't press the button 4. And this music, I'm gonna turn this off. Tsunami. Help, 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 help. How long is this ladder, man? Very short ladder. How did my headphones get disconnected? I need to do the... Wait. Yeah, get the car. This. Oh my god. Wait, what's this? Watch out. It has a sword. Who has a sword? Again? You. Nope. Who has a sword again? No. Yeah. Wait, did Roblox just delete all the music in 20 seconds? That's longer than shit. Longer than 6 seconds. But this music is longer than like this music is longer than 45,000 seconds. Survive. Oof. 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 Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna press the button. Yeah. Watch out for mommy. Mommy. Yeah. Ooh, hiding. You are inside the Egypt. You are inside the pyramid. Like good. But the last one, it just throwed me. Why can't I fall down now? Want to fall down. Want to fall down. Yeah. Ooh. Get the ball to the other side. Yeah. I'm the red team. Or am I the blue team? I'm the what team? I'm the red team or the blue team. I can't understand anything. I'm the red team, right? Then why did I help the blue team? Yep. You were cheating. You were cheating who has a rainbow thing. Do that. I can understand this. What? This game is glitching. Like I have to off the music right now. I don't know if that's. Click the door. Where's the door? Ooh, get the click it. Go. I wanna go inside. Oof. Yeah. Reach the bottom. Okay, I have played reach the bottom thing. Yeah, I have played that. What's that called again? It's like this only. This easy. Easy. You have to be kidding me. Ooh. Ooh. It's okay. Ooh. Ah. Show me. I can see because of the. I made it at the last second. Who should I? What? Be careful. Okay, where does the blue thing take us to? I'm a pro at these hobbies, but this is not a hobby. This is just called balancing. How easy? Boom. Boom. No. This they just kept a teleporter there. I tried the teleporter, but it did not work. On your masks. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, slow. He is cheating. The guy's cheating. They're cheating, man. They're cheating. What the heck? Why is my headphones always popping out? The music, I'm gonna also keep that much because the music is way too. I'm still slow. I'm gonna reset. See how slow I'm walking. This was a slow race. Ooh, now I'm speed. Yeah, woohoo! Go, ball! I'm in the blue team, my favorite color. Go! No, get the balls! Haha, balls! Balls. Get there! Go! Go! Hey! Yeah, go! The blue team. Yeah, blue team is winning. Red team doesn't even have one. Go! GG! But the round is still not over. Like, see the red team. Like, see that bacon here. Don't fall in the lava. Where does this teleport? Oh! What the? How is that possible? Oh, there are asteroids falling. I did not see that. It's gonna just fall in the edge. See how it is sliding. Hi, oof. Oh. One is, but they are like the game is laggy. Where are the rocks? Okay, rockets. Okay, done. Ah! They spawned from nowhere. This. No. 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 You have to be kidding me. Now that's the end of this video. Bye.